Has your hard-working Henry vacuum started vibrating and shaking like this? Oh yeah, this thing looks like it's about to take off. So obviously this is not normal, this type of shaking. So the first thing you want to check is making sure there is no blockages in the hose and making sure the filters are not clogged. You can see all the fine dust that got past the bag, so it's most definitely clogged. Another reason why this might be happening, and it's an easily overlooked thing, but if the filter bag is not placed properly, this can cause the shaking as well. And the last reason is if the motor is unbalanced, if there's any sort of motor issues. Now, this was actually the case because I cleaned out the filter bags. I made sure everything was working properly. There was no clogs in the hose. But what had happened is some of the fine dust and debris actually got through into the motor housing, which caused the problem. So if it does turn out to be a motor issue, I'll try to make a video on how to solve that problem. But in most cases, it might be something where you need to take it to a professional. So any sort of vacuum shop will most likely be able to help out.